how to get Google Calendar Meet API keys. So if you want to get Google Calendar Meet API keys, then if you're developing an application that requires access to Google services, integrating these APIs can be incredibly useful. We'll walk through the entire process, ensuring everything is as clear and straightforward as possible. Now, to begin, let's head over to the Google Cloud Console. You'll need a Google account to access it. Make sure that you're logged in. Once you're here, you'll notice there is an option at the top, which is your project. So you need to click on the projects, click on this, and then you need to choose new project, which will be in the top. Give your project the description name, perhaps something like Calendar API Project to easily identify it later. Once you're happy with the name, go ahead and click on Create. After creating your project, it will take you to your project's dashboard. Now, once you're on your project's dashboard, you will have this kind of interface. Here, we're going to utilize the left side menu where you'll find the APIs and services. You need to just click on it, and then you will find an option of library under it. You need to click on it. This is where we can search for and select the required APIs. Type Google Calendar API in the search bar right here. After that, hit the enter. When it appears, if you also need the Google Meet API, you can follow the same steps to enable it, provided it's available and necessary for your project. Now, once you have enabled the required APIs, it's time to manage credentials, which are vital for protecting your project. Now, you need to just head back to the API and services in the left menu, and here you need to click on the credentials. At the top of this page, you'll see a plus credentials, or if you don't find it right there, here on the bottom, you'll have create credentials. You need to just click on it and choose API key. In moments, you'll see the API key generated and displayed on your screen. This key is crucial as it allows your application to interface with Google services, so it needs to be kept secure. Speaking of security, there's an optional yet strongly recommended step you should take to safeguard your API key. You'll want to click on the restrict key, which lets you limit its usage. For example, you could restrict it to particular websites or specific IP addresses. This additional step ensures that your key doesn't get used by unauthorized parties. Finally, you need to copy your API key, which is generated right here, and integrate it to your application or code. This will be the bridge connecting your application to Google services, allowing it to access your calendar functions or Google Meet functionalities as required. And there you have it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.